So we have a hot weekend on the way, especially today. We're going to see records into this afternoon. So heat advisories going into effect here in a couple of hours. Those are going to be with us throughout the day today and all the way into tomorrow through tomorrow night, because we're talking about extreme heat and dangerous heat too. Winds, we still have the wind advisories and the high wind warnings. Those are going to expire at 9 o'clock this morning though. Let's look at your temperatures right now. Some of you seeing very little recovery through the overnight hours. We still have 70s out there. Even in places like Malibu this morning, we're in the 70s, Van Nuys, Thousand Oaks. Downtown LA, LAX mid to upper 60s, cooler in the 50s in Riverside and Corona, and then we have 30s up in the mountains to start your day. Let's take a look at your winds through the I-5 corridor, the Santa Clarita Valley, even parts of the San Fernando Valleys where we have those gusty northwesterly winds. Those are going to wind down as the day goes on. Lots of sunshine ahead for your Friday, and of course that sunshine will help to warm things up for us. So visibility is fine, not seeing any issues there. We'll go through your satellite and radar tracker, and what you're going to see: clear skies today, clear skies tomorrow. Today, tomorrow going to be your two hottest days of this heat wave, with more records into this afternoon and possibly more records into tomorrow as well. Yesterday we tied records in places like Camarillo and Burbank. We should be in the low 70s for this time of year. Today we're talking about low 90s. So that means temperatures are running 20 degrees above where we should be this time of year. Your 7-day forecast shows 90s today and tomorrow. Then this ridge will start to break down by the end of the weekend into next week. But even so, numbers are going to be very warm into the 80s, and then warming back up into next week, nearing 90 once again. So the heat is here to stay. Today, tomorrow, we're talking about extreme heat. It's going to be feeling like summer, though, at least for the next week.